Screen mirroring your iPhone to a Sceptre monitor can be accomplished through two primary methods: wireless AirPlay connections and wired HDMI connections. Both approaches have evolved significantly with iOS 17 and modern Sceptre monitor capabilities. The AirPlay wireless method requires iOS 12.3 or later and an Apple TV or AirPlay 2 compatible device connected to your Sceptre monitor. Both devices must be on the same Wi-Fi network. iOS 17 and later versions offer enhanced AirPlay with improved stability and reduced latency. Access AirPlay through your iPhone's control center by swiping down from the top right corner. Then tap the screen mirroring icon to select your Apple TV or compatible device. The HDMI wired method provides the most reliable connection with zero latency. You'll need either a Lightning to HDMI adapter for older iPhones or a USB-C to HDMI adapter for iPhone 15 and newer models, plus a quality HDMI cable. iPhone 15 and newer models with USB-C offer simplified connectivity. You can use generic USB-C to HDMI adapters, which cost significantly less than Lightning adapters and support higher resolutions including 4K at 60 Hz. Many 2023 and 2024 Sceptre monitors include built-in Miracast support for direct wireless connections. Third-party solutions like Let's View, Chromecast, and dedicated wireless display adapters provide additional options for screen mirroring. Your choice between wireless and wired depends on your specific needs. Wireless AirPlay offers convenience but requires additional hardware and has some latency. Wired HDMI provides the best performance with zero latency and perfect quality, making it ideal for professional presentations or gaming. Both methods are viable solutions for mirroring your iPhone to a Sceptre monitor. Consider your budget, performance requirements, and setup preferences when making your choice. The next section will walk you through the detailed setup process for both AirPlay and HDMI connections. There are two main methods to mirror your iPhone to a Sceptre monitor: wireless AirPlay and wired HDMI connections. Each method has specific requirements and setup steps. The AirPlay method requires an iPhone running iOS 12.3 or later, an Apple TV 4th generation or newer, and both devices connected to the same Wi-Fi network. First, connect your Apple TV to the Sceptre monitor using an HDMI cable. The Apple TV has clearly labeled ports on the back panel. On your iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Look for the screen mirroring icon, which appears as two overlapping rectangles. For a wired HDMI connection, you'll need different adapters depending on your iPhone model. Older iPhones use Lightning to HDMI adapters, while iPhone 15 series uses USB-C to HDMI adapters. For iPhone 14 and earlier models, use Apple's Lightning to digital AV adapter. This adapter converts the Lightning port to HDMI output. iPhone 15 series uses USB-C ports, so you'll need a USB-C to HDMI adapter. These are more widely available and often less expensive than Lightning adapters. Connect your adapter to the iPhone, then connect an HDMI cable from the adapter to your Sceptre monitor. Finally, use your monitor's input button or remote to select the correct HDMI input. The connection creates a direct path from your iPhone through the adapter to the monitor. Your iPhone's screen should automatically appear on the Sceptre monitor once connected. Both methods provide reliable screen mirroring. AirPlay offers wireless convenience, while HDMI provides the most stable connection with minimal latency.